Okay, this is my first time doing this here. I'm checking my blood glucose level. I just watched this YouTube video on how to do it. So everything should be red. I'm going to do it on the side. I think that was it. Now, I don't know if I can show the blood on YouTube or anything. I don't think anything worked. I'm going to have to try it again. I did it in the side like she said, but yeah, nothing's coming. Okay, it didn't even penetrate me. So I'm going to have to make it go, I guess, a little deeper. So I pull this out like this, I guess. So now it's loaded, and I'll try it again. She said, like, put it in the side, so I'm going to try it here this time. I don't think it's working on me. Ah, there it is, okay. And I'll keep squeezing. If not, I'll try, like, 5, but that worked. So, I'm going to put it on the meter, and I'll see what the number says. Okay. So, I mean, mine says 80. Hers said 80. She said that's pretty good, but she also says pretty low. I don't think I have a low blood sugar problem. I don't think that's my dizziness issue. But there you go. Just wanted to test it out. Oh, there's a little... I don't even know if I can show that on YouTube, so... move that over here. But yeah, it's 80. So first time using it. I'll show you the box here. But what's interesting is I did not get the option to... Well, the video she has is 4 years ago. So maybe it's different. But I didn't get the option to select, you know, if I'm fasting or if I ate today. You know, I ate like some egg whites and turkey bacon today. But it didn't give me an option to choose. So 80 is it. That's what it's showing me. So... But this is it right here. Contour Next Gen. So that's it. I just got it at Walmart. I heard it's a good brand.